In the vast expanse of our minds lies a library brimming with wisdom and answers, waiting to be unlocked. The key to accessing this treasury of knowledge is astonishingly straightforward. Simply pose the question. Often we are acutely aware of our problems, yet we seldom concentrate on formulating the right questions to solve them. Consider this. If you yearn for a better salary to support your family, but are uncertain about securing a new job or feel inadequate in your skills, start by asking yourself one or more of these pivotal questions. How could I find a better job? How can I enhance my skills to become more valuable? What steps should I take to secure a better job? Pose these questions to yourself, whether in a whisper or aloud. Persist in asking day after day. Then one day, almost miraculously, the answer will crystallize before you. You will realize that life has subtly been steering you towards your solution. It's as simple and as profound as that. I have personally unraveled numerous challenges in my life using this simple yet potent technique. Now it's your turn. Start asking yourself that transformative question. The one that will forever alter the course of your life. Go ahead, the answers are waiting within you.